For a general idea on what colors to mix, the first place that you'll need to go to is the color wheel. Let's talk about primary colors first, red, yellow, and blue, which are placed equidistant to each other. We've talked about this in another short class, but let's do a quick review. Green sits across red. Technically, they're called complementary colors. When you combine the two equally, you'll get a neutral color. But when you add just a tiny bit of red to your ready mixed green, you'll get a toned down shade of green. These are Hooker's Green and Scarlet Lake. Now, green is a secondary color produced by mixing yellow and blue, so it sits at the middle of our two primaries. Looking at the color wheel, this means that if you want a yellow-green, which is a tertiary color, then mix the primary color closest to it, which is yellow. This is cadmium yellow light. But remember that the result will vary depending on the ratio of your pigments. Say you added more yellow, then that will lighten up the mixture. And if you add more green, it will darken the shade. Same thing with red. Add more red and you'll get a more neutral muted green. Next, if you want to mix blue-green, mix the primary color closest to it, which is blue. Specifically, this is ultramarine blue. Vary the ratio and you'll yield a different shade. It doesn't matter which primary colors you pick. Here's Hooker's Green mixed with other red, pink, and magenta pigments. Not much difference, right? And here's how it looks when mixed with other yellow and blue pigments. The yellow-green versions are very distinct from each other, but the blue-greens are quite close. To see it better, here are mini studies I did using different sets of primary colors plus Hooker's Green. And in case you don't have this specific pigment, here are other greens mixed with same colors: Scarlet Lake, cadmium yellow light, and ultramarine blue. A quick recap: for yellow-green, add yellow; blue-green, add blue; for muted green, add red. But what do you do if you don't have red, yellow, or blue? Let's find out in the next video.